Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Say hi. What a good girl you are. What a good girl. That's the only trick I've ever taught my cats to do. Yeah. You know, if I have a dog, they know how to lay down, they know how to sit, they know how to shake, they know how to roll over, all that good stuff. Cats, I can't do anything with them. All right, I take that back. Bonnie knows to go get in her crate when it's dinner time. That's kind of training, right? They all use the litter box. They kind of train themselves to do that, but you know. Today's Boxycharm Day, y'all. If you're wondering through all my crazy ramblings, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a makeup and beauty subscription. I absolutely adore it. This is one of these that I will probably never get rid of. You know, I talk about scaling down or changing them out and things. This one, I just love their drop shops and super drop shop sales so much. I will never get rid of this box. You can get products for 80% off, y'all. Ooh, I would have not tried a tenth of the stuff I've tried if it wasn't for Boxy. So they have 3 different options on ways you can get this box each month. Well, one of them is quarterly, but they have the base box, Boxycharm. You get 5 full-size products. You pay $27.99 a month. It's supposed to be valued for up to $210. You pick one of the products of the 5. Or you can get the premium box, which has 6 full-size products for $39.99 a month. You get to pick 2 of those products. Now, if you upgrade for the Boxy Luxe, that one will replace whatever box you get, the premium or the base, for that month every 3 months. So it's a seasonal box. You get 8 full-size products in that one. You get to pick 2 of them. And it is $59.99. If you want to try this, I do have a link below and a code, which I will pop up over here for you because it's a whole bunch of letters. I don't know who gave me that code, but it is craziness. I'm gonna see if I can change it to the Unboxing by G like I normally do. Anyway, let's just open the box and see what I got now. I've rambled so much already. A whole 2 minutes worth of rambling. And y'all just want to see the products. I know it. Because I would. Does this have a version? BA? Maybe? I don't know. Who knows? Hello, Charmers. So that's what the inside of the box looks like. This is August. It says dusk till dawn. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. Maybe a cappuccino swirl at the top. Who knows? On the back, that's where all my product information is. My little cheat sheet. These are good for when you want to switch out the color on your eyeshadow brushes. Just clean it off on here and then go to your next color. So reuse, recycle, all that good stuff as much as you possibly can. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And I saw a glow recipe. Ooh, I love glow recipe. Well, let's look at that one. All right, so I got sent a glow recipe. I think I ordered it. I believe it was from Boxy. It was either Boxy or Ipsy. I think it was Boxy. Well, anyway, somehow they sent out something expired. So they told me, you know, don't use it. Here's your money back. They were really good about it, so I was glad of that. And now I'm glad I actually get to try it because this is the Avocado. Oh, wait, no, this is the eye cream. That was actually the night cream I was talking about. But this is the Avocado Retinol Eye Cream Brightening and Firming. Ooh, avocado. Y'all, I'm getting older. My eyes are getting bad. Gotta do the glasses thing. At least I look good in them. All right. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the spark in your eyes with this gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives are released to help moisture brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. It is a $42 value. I don't think I've had a Glow Recipe eye cream before, so I'm pretty excited about this. My Glow Recipe, y'all, it is growing and I love it. Hey, Glow Gang. Oh, look at the cuteness. Look at the cuteness of this bottle. Eye cream. Oh, it's so soft. It is so soft, y'all. Just scooped a little out with my nail. One of the few nails I have after cleaning so much. That doesn't really have a scent to it, though. Does feel good, though. Does feel very nice. I like it. All right, what's next? Stack the Odds. This is ALLEYOOP Stack the Odds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Apply it directly with your fingers anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. Travel friendly and lightweight compact, the cream formula doesn't break like traditional powders and products. It is a $38 value. So this is Sassy Pants. Let me see what my other one is. All right, so the other one I have is Sunkissed. I like to make sure. So I'll just give you a peek at Sunkissed just so you can see. Oh my goodness, I'm dropping everything. And now we're gonna look at Sassy Pants. These Sassy Pants. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I see. I love the creams. I love the creams. Look at that. Bronzer, blush, and highlighter all right there. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. That's nice. I like that a lot. And travel friendly. So awesome. Actually, it's contour, not highlight. My apologies. Highlight, blush, and contour. I was thinking I said it wrong. Love it. Love it. Next, we have GIRLACTIK. Where's it at? Yeah, GIRLACTIK. This is Metallic Eye Sparkle. Let me read it to you first. Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Velvety. Did I tell you this one was worth $36? Velvety and easily blendable, this metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. MSRP on this is $20. I think the color is Glam. It's very shiny, so. Oh, look at this, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Yes, I'm not used to the glass. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my goodness. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. I like that. I like it a lot. Give Me LALA Skin. I used masks from Give Me LALA before. This is Coconut Kiss. Ooh. Nourishing Lip Mask. This Nourishing Lip Mask provides your lips with ultimate hydration to leave them feeling soft and plump. A generous layer before bedtime locks in moisture for refreshed, soft, perfect, kissable lips. This is a $22 value. Y'all, I don't just use my lip masks at night. I use them all day long because I love it. I think that they're the most hydrating feeling type product you can put on your lips. And so I'm constantly going through them. So I love that I get new ones in these boxes. And I'm excited to try it. Of course, I got stuff on my lips right now, but give them LALA. I don't think y'all could see that. I can hardly see it. Coconut. That's nice. It's kind of thick in there. I'm used to one that's a little more creamy, but you could definitely get it on. Interesting. I'm gonna have to try this one over a few days and see how it goes, but I'm excited about it. Okay, last product is TANAIS, TANAIS, Sun to the Stars lip oil. Ooh, I do love lip oils too. Ooh, okay, so there is that. Like this, I don't know how to say it properly. Sunset to the Stars. This ultra shiny gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke. It is a $27 value. This is a new brand to Boxy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know I love the lip products. One day I'm gonna drown in this house because there's so many lip products everywhere. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. All right, I'm gonna have to switch hands. Let me see. Tea tiny smell. Oh, that's lovely. It's just a little, but yeah, just a little. That's nice. I'm really liking that. This was a pretty good box. I mean, when I first saw everything, I was like, oh, it's a bunch of little small packages, you know, and I was like, it's giving me teeny tiny stuff, but no, this is good stuff. Lip oil gloss, lip mask, the Stack 'em from ALLEYOOP, which is, these are amazing. That's so smart. The GIRLACTIK metallic eyeshadow, which was amazing, and the Glow Recipe eye serum, which the eye serum stuff goes a long way. So yeah, I'm super thrilled. What do y'all think? Did you like this month's box? Did you think Dusk Till Dawn was a great theme? I don't know, but yeah, I'm in love with this stuff. I'm so excited to try everything on. I always want to hear y'all's opinions, so comment below. And also, I'd love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free to subscribe to my channel. If you want to subscribe to Boxy, there is a link below, or you can use the code. Please share with your friends and press that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.